Hi, and welcome to Anne's Craft Room, where life is too short, so get out those craft supplies. Try something new and make something beautiful just for you. Hi, this month I'm going to try something new, and that is called Collection Obsession. And it is with Celia Choice Bits of Bliss web channel. She does it where every month you pick a kit that you want to use up and you make 4 layouts with it. At least. You can do more than that, but at least 4 layouts. And you share those kits and that layout on your channel. So I hope to use up this kit that I am going to show you. So the kit I'm going to use this month is called Let's Get Crafty. And I am going to do some layouts of my granddaughter playing in my craft room with me, some crops that I have been to, and other crafty things that I have done in my craft room. So this has been a hodgepodge kit that I have put together. It's all from that thing, but it's like I got some of it from Tuesday morning, some of it offline. It's like whenever I saw it cheap, I picked it up and just threw it in this container and realized I've got a lot in there. So it's time for me to use it up. So I've got 2 chipboard stickers. I've got some foamy stickers, front and back. I have got, this is what I meant by I kept picking up. I've got 4 packages of the ephemera. No, I won't use it all. I may end up making some cards to send to some crafty friends. And 2 packages of enamel dots. Then when I get into the paper, this is the paper collection kit. There is 1, 2, 3 pages of stickers. There is this mustard yellow flower print with the ledger on the back. And I've got 3 pages of that. Here is some orange and pink flowers with an orange and pink plaid. And I've got 3 pages of that. These are some cut-aparts. I really like the camera, the ATG gun, Dream, Live, and Create, a tote. Lots of things on here I can use to make clusters. A trimmer, scissors, washi tape, and then the back is this black with colored polka dots. So I like that. And I've got 3 pages of that. I'm thinking that's probably going to be one of my 4 pages of that. So that's probably going to be one of my base layouts is this black polka dot. And then you got the stripes with the black and white diamonds on the back. And there's 4 pages of that. Then there's 2 pages of these cut-apart tags with blank tags on the back. Then you got these green flowers. I really like this green and navy blue with some 3x4 cut-aparts on the back. And there is 2 pages of that. Then there's this green and blue plaid with some cut-aparts. Only 1 page of that. And then this ledger with hexagons. So I could totally see me getting my punch out and punching some of these out for clusters. Pink graph. Actually, that is it's in the shape of a cutting mat. So that is cool. A pink cutting mat. with flowers on the back, and it looks like they're months of the year, but the top of the months have been cut off, but I can still use some of it. And I can fussy cut some of the flowers if I want to. Then you got this mustard green and navy flowers with a mustard yellow graph on the back. Some more of those month pages with cut aparts on the back. I'm here for the snacks and crafts. That's a crop. They call me Crafty. Happy and crafty. Then you got some pink circles and some larger cut aparts. One of our crops that we go to, we play bingo, so that would be good. I want to craft with somebody. I want to make cute things with somebody. I like that. So that is the kit that I am going to use this month. I hope you stick around and see what layouts I make. I think it's going to be fun. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you for watching till the end. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and then hit the subscribe button to see my future videos. Thank you and have a great day.